Good morning, students. Today we have to learn about how can we separate the mixture of two miscible liquids. Okay. So first of all, what is mean by the miscible liquids? So liquids which mix together in all proportions and form a single layer, that is called as a miscible liquids. ऐसे liquids जो mix together in all proportions, like milk and water solution, they are mixed with in all proportions. We can't separate milk from water solution after mixing. Like this the miscible liquids are there. Now for explaining this, here is an activity given. Here is an activity given. See, here it is a distillation flask. It is a distillation flask, and thermometer is connected over the distillation flask. Now the condenser is also connected with this. Now here is a beaker. Okay. Now so at the condenser में क्या है? There is a two outlet. Here is a one and here is a two. See, first of all, two outlet है. ये है water outlet and this is a cold water in. Cold water total the condenser जो है वो इट इज़ अ वेरी कूल. कंडेंसर क्या का कंडेंसर का यूज़ क्या है? द कंडेंसर इज यूज टू कंडेंस अ गैसेस सब्सटेंस. यूज ऑफ कंडेंसर इज द कंडेंसर इज अ यूज टू कंडेंस अ गैसेस सब्सटेंस इनटू लिक्विड. क्या करता है कंडेंसर द लिक्विड विच इज कम्स आउट फ्रॉम हियर. Okay, gases vapors are comes out from here are collected into the condenser, and condenser is already cooled. ठंडा होता है. सो जो गैसेस होती है यहाँ से कम्स आउट, वो गैसेस को किस में कन्वर्ट करता है? लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट करता है. कंडेंसर वर्क क्या है कि कन्वर्ट द गैसेस इनटू लिक्विड. कन्वर्ट द gases into liquid. This is the work of condenser because condenser is a cooled ठंडा. Okay, now see here what happened. See, this technique, this separation of miscible liquids is how we do this separation of miscible liquids with the help of distillation. So first of all, what is distillation? Distillation is a process of separating the component or substances from liquids mixed by using the selective boiling point and okay, selective boiling point. With the help of boiling point, distillation is separate out the two liquids. Now see, this method is used for separating a mixture of miscible liquids. इस मेथड से हम क्या करते हैं? डिस्टिलेशन से मिजिबल लिक्विड्स को सेपरेट आउट करते हैं बाय द बॉइलिंग मीन्स बॉइलिंग मीन्स बॉइल करके सेपरेट करते हैं. इफ़ वी हैव अ मिक्सचर any two liquids, miscible liquids, with the help of boiling we can separate these two liquids by the process of distillation. Okay, and cooling and condensing the vapors. Okay, now first of all क्या होता है? सिंपल डिस्टिलेशन. फर्स्ट डिस्टिलेशन के दो टाइप्स है. देर आर टू टाइप ऑफ डिस्टिलेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सिंपल डिस्टिलेशन and second one is a fractional distillation. Now today we learn about a simple distillation. Now in the simple distillation, this simple distillation is used for separating the mixture of two miscible liquids. इसका यूज होता है दो मिजिबल लिक्विड्स को सेपरेट आउट करने का विद द हेल्प ऑफ बॉइलिंग एंड हैविंग सफिशिएंट डिफरेंस इन देयर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. बॉइलिंग पॉइंट में उनका सफिशिएंट डिफरेंस होना चाहिए, तभी हम टू मिजिबल लिक्विड्स को सेपरेट आउट कर पाएंगे. सो वी टेक हियर एग्जांपल. इफ द मिक्सचर ऑफ एसीटोन एंड वाटर इज हीटेड. ओके, if the mixture of acetone and water is heated in a distillation apparatus. See, this is a distillation apparatus. We kept Here is our apparatus for simple distillation. So our example is we take a mixture of acetone on water. Here is a distillation flask. Here is a distillation flask. Here is a condenser. Now first of all we have to take the two solution. We have taken two solution, that is a solution of water and solution of acetone. So first of all we just look for their boiling point. The boiling point of water is a 100 degree Celsius and boiling point for acetone is a 56 degree Celsius. कितना होता है acetone का boiling point? 56 degree Celsius. And we have to just they both are miscible liquids. Now we take this into that distillation flask. सबसे पहले हमें both liquid are taken a distillation flask में हमें दो liquids लेने हैं, that is a water and acetone. Now first of all and add there a thermometer. Add thermometer here and here a condenser. Now we have to first provide a heat with the help of burner. Now what happened then? If we continuously provide the heat, now first the boiling point of acetone is a 56 degree Celsius. Okay, now when this thermometer show the temperature of 56 degree Celsius, now the acetone which is present in this mixture, that is water and acetone, is boiling now. Okay, बॉयल होना शुरू हो जाएगा एट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ 56 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे. नाउ तब क्या होगा? देर आर वेपर्स कम आउट, उसके वेपर्स आ जाएंगे फिर बाहर. इट इज़ वेपराइज नाउ बिकॉज at the temperature of 56 the acetone is boiling. Now it is vapors are comes. Now their vapors are continually moving to the condenser. ये जाएंगे vapors condenser में. Now condenser का work क्या है? To convert the gas that is vapor of acetone into the liquid. फिर ये जो condenser है वो vapors को cool down करेगा. condenser vapors को cool down करेगा and now which is converted into liquid, and then we have to convert this liquid acetone into that beaker, separate beaker. Okay, in this way we can separate the acetone from water. Here only water is remaining, पूरा एसीटोन कंडेंस वेपोराइज होके इधर से कंडेंसेशन में जाकर बीकर में हम कलेक्ट कर पाएंगे. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन सेपरेट द एसीटोन फ्रॉम द वाटर. हियर इन द distillation flask there is only water is remaining and all the acetone with the help of boiling is separated out with the help of this method into that beaker. Okay, now the method which is used for separating the two miscible liquids. Okay, the method which is used for separating the two miscible liquids with the help of their boiling points, it is a distillation. It is a distillation. But if the mixture of two or more miscible liquid for a difference in boiling point is less, if we have a two liquids and their difference जो है, if any liquid is a or it is a B, इसका जो boiling point है 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस and इसका जो boiling point है 90 डिग्री सेल्सियस, difference is very less. Okay, the boiling point difference is very less. Then which method is used for this? In case of simple distillation, the boiling point for acetone is 56 and 100 is 100 and water is 100 डिग्री. फर्स्ट क्या होगा? 56 पे एसीटोन वेपराइज हो जाएगा और कंटिन्यूली हम उसे सेपरेट कर पाएंगे. ओके, क्योंकि 100 तो बहुत ही, वाटर का तो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट बहुत दूर है एज कम्पेयर टू 56. ओके, देर इज़ नो एनी प्रॉब्लम. बट हियर if the boiling point is one solution, if the boiling point for one solution is 100 degree and another solution is 90 degree, then how we separate it out now? Because both the solutions are having the same boiling point and they are vaporized with the same, so how we separate it? Now such a case there is another method is used such as a fractional distillation. उसे बोलते हैं हम fractional distillation. The another method is used for such a सेपरेशन टेक्निक इज अ फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन. उसे बोलेंगे हम फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन. नाउ लेट्स लुक टू द फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन. Here is the apparatus which is used for the fractional distillation. Here is the same distillation flask is also used here, condenser is also used, but in only the new apparatus is used here is a fractionating column. It is a fractionating column. क्या है? Fractionating column. And into that fractionating column there are the glass beads. Into that fractionating column there are the glass beads are present. Okay, now after this fractionating column there is a thermometer is placed. Now same, there is a condensation also connected to this fractionating column, and here is a one beaker for collection of two liquids. Now here the apparatus is similar to the both apparatus is similar to that for a simple distillation. Simple distillation जैसा ही है, only the fractionating column is a adding to this this fractional distillation. हमें इसमें सिर्फ कौन सा apparatus new add किया है? This one, that is a fractionating column. Okay, so for example the separation of the here, which solution or which gases we separate from the fractional distillation? Example here, for separation of different gases from air. Air में in air is composed of different gases, nitrogen, oxygen. Okay, so with the help of fractional distillation we can separate it out these gases from air. Also the petroleum products, also we can the different products or different solutions, liquids which we have to separate out from the this is so method. Now here see, this is a fractional distillation. So first of all, fractional distillation is used for separating the mixture of two or more miscible liquids whose difference in boiling point is less than 25 Kelvin. So there are two liquids and their difference in boiling point जो होता है दोनों लिक्विड्स का जो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट डिफरेंस है बहुत ही कम है, मीन्स ओनली 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस और 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो उसके लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन, एंड दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल फॉर फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन. नाउ द apparatus used for fractional distillation is similar to that of the simple distillation. Only the fractionating column is fitted between the distillation flask and condenser. This is okay. Now the fractionating column has a glass beads. Here are the glass beads. Now which increase the surface for the vapors to cool and condense. ये क्या करता है? सरफेस इंक्रीज करता है फॉर वेपर्स के लिए. नाउ fractional distillation is used for separating the component of petroleum, separating the different gases from air. Okay, now in this case what happened? See, this is यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Same, we take a different solution like solution A, solution B, or any gases, different gases we kept. We burn it out. Okay, now first gas which having the boiling point is less, जिसका boiling point कम होता है वो पहले vaporize हो जाएगा, and now there are kept into that beads में आकर वो vapors जो है उसके settle down हो जाएंगे. Okay, now another जो B है वो भी after the instant after A, B also vaporized, and this B vapors for the solution B are kept over here. Now first vapors from first A, vapor of the A solution are first kept into this condenser, cool down, and we can separate it out with the help of condenser. Okay, same, the procedure is same for fractional distillation like the simple distillation. Okay, only this glass beads are helping for separating the two vapors of two solutions or two gases. दोनों separate gases के जो vapors है वहाँ पे glass bead में collect होंगे, and now they are going to this condenser and now collect into that beaker. So this is the technique as we can separate the two miscible liquids. Okay, distillation डिस्टिलेशन के दो टाइप है, एक सिंपल डिस्टिलेशन एंड फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन. ओके, सो टुडे we stop here. In next class we will discussing about separation of component of air.